Is it too late to join the furniture flipping market? Is it way too oversaturated? Let's find out. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glenda, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about whether it's too late to start flipping furniture in the new year in 2024, and what you can do to succeed if you decide to start flipping furniture this year. Now more than ever, people are looking to reuse, repurpose, thrift, buy secondhand because it's trendy, sure. Or is it because people are really trying to live a more sustainable life? Who knows? What I do know or have noticed is that since the big C, now more than ever, people are looking for more ways to showcase their style and decor with these unique type of items without spending a fortune. Furniture flip pieces fit all of these reasons, and why I think that more and more people are going to start buying and selling flipped furniture. Which leads me to ask, why are you doing it? Why are you considering flipping furniture? Is it because you want to pay off your debt, have it as a supplemental income, or are you trying to make this your full-time job? Once you've decided why you're considering flipping furniture, there's some other things to consider so that you can be assured that you will succeed in your furniture flipping journey. For all of my plant lovers or lovers of plants, I wanted to share with you the app Planta. It's an award-winning plant care app that does just that. It shows you how to take care of and keep your plants alive. I am definitely guilty of killing plenty of plants in my life, and I'm a little embarrassed to admit that I actually have 2 plants here that aren't doing very well, as you can see. The main feature of the app helps to create a schedule that you can easily follow of when to water, mist, fertilize, clean, and even repot your plants. They're all listed here under My Plants. You can easily add as many plants as you want. This way, I know for me personally, I will not forget to take care of them and to water them like I'm supposed to so that they won't die on me like many have in the past. It's a new year and I want to take better accountability and maintain healthy habits, especially with hobbies that I already love and enjoy and want to become better at, like taking care of plants. One of the features I really love about the app is the Dr. Planta. What I love most about Dr. Planta is that it helps to figure out and diagnose what's wrong with your plant. We've named this one Almost Dead because it's almost dead. And all you have to do is simply take a couple of pictures, answer a couple of questions, and then it gives you a set diagnosis like underwatered, lack of light, etc. In my case, not repotted. I just recently got a couple of new plants, and so I was quickly able to follow these steps to see what was wrong. If I didn't know and wanted to know what these new plants' names were, the app can also help to identify them. The plant also offers features like a light meter to assess light levels, and Discover to help you get plants recommended for your home and your ability to take care of them. You can download the app for free today. Use the link down in the description to sign up for the premium version so that you can access all of the cool features that I shared with you today. You've probably never flipped a furniture piece. You want to know whether it's a good idea to start doing it, whether your pieces are going to sell, or if you're going to be piling them up in your house or in your garage. My style has definitely evolved over time as I flipped piece after piece after piece. I started very creative. I started very out of the box and very unique pieces. But I quickly realized that those unique pieces, unless I was willing to house them for a while, they were not going to sell very quickly, which is why I decided to kind of change my style with trends and with other things that I knew they were going to sell a lot quicker. At the same time, I am a content creator, so I have to keep things a lot more interesting than a regular furniture flipper who isn't a content creator. If you have the space and you're able to create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that nobody else will get, then you know you can charge for those pieces a lot more. But you have to consider whether, 1, you have the space for it, and 2, whether you're that artistic. Go on Facebook Marketplace and search dressers or nightstands or any specific furniture, and I guarantee you that you will come across flipped pieces. See what other people are pricing their pieces at and consider that. Is it worth to sell your pieces around for that price? Because unless your piece is very unique, very different, or just irresistible, I can guarantee you that your prices are probably going to stick around the same range as the other flippers in your area. Another thing to consider is How will you stand out? How will your work differ from those flippers in your area? Are you providing a flipped piece that is not just a solid color, that'll cater to a specific audience that you know will pay that high dollar price? And when you're considering what your style is and how you will stand out, consider trends. I can guarantee you that flipping furniture pieces that are trending at the moment are gonna sell very quickly. It can be a matter of days or a few hours as opposed to a few days, a couple of weeks, or even months with these other specific pieces. Following trends is important because if you are in a business, you want to follow what trends are happening at the moment, which ones are sticking around. Right now, everybody is swarming over warm tones, the browns, the beige, even the whites, but the earth tones are so hot right now. Everybody is buying them. Everybody wants their home to look earthy and warm and inviting. Consider the trends in your time so that you don't get stuck with it for a very long time. Now, the price must reflect your work. The first couple of pieces that you do might be the lowest priced items that you flip because your work just isn't there yet. Even when I first started, my work was not what it is today. It's been almost 3 years now, and I can definitely guarantee you the quality of my work has definitely improved. It is much better, therefore the prices reflects that. It must reflect the work that I put into it in order for me to be not only successful, but for it to be worth it. Because at the end of the day, if I'm spending hours and hours and hours flipping one single piece and I'm selling it for just breaking even, it's not going to be worth it. So that leads me to letting you know that you need to do your research, whether it's stripping a piece, the best way to paint, the best quality paint that is out there. There's so many options when it comes to paints, primers, strippers. Not only will it come down to just making sure that you're using quality products to ensure a quality finish, but also application. Application is going to be everything. And within time, you'll notice what products you prefer using over others, whether you want to work with water-based one day or oil-based the next day. It's all about preference, and you'll find your preference over time. So, do I think that it's too late to start flipping furniture in the new year, 2024? Absolutely not. I think with more people wanting to live a more sustainable life, supporting small businesses, with the rise in prices for everything, people don't want to spend a fortune. So when you can provide a service that you are able to be profitable and people are able to save a fraction of the cost for something that would have been brand new, it's a win-win situation. I think people are going to continue to buy secondhand, reused, repurposed things, DIY all kinds of things in order to save money where they can and to still have the things that they love. So to sum up today's video, let's recap. First thing you want to consider if flipping furniture is the right thing for you is, why are you considering flipping furniture? Are you willing to do the research on how to do it as a beginner? Are you going to provide good quality work and the price that reflects that? How many of these pieces can you do in a single month? With that, do you have the space in order to do it? What will you offer that will stand out in a crowd compared to your local furniture flippers? I hope that you found this video helpful, and it may be helped for you to decide on whether you should or shouldn't flip furniture in 2024. I encourage you to start flipping furniture if it's something that you've been considering. I think that there's plenty of room for furniture flippers. I think that as long as you provide unique, high quality, good work, there's going to be a buyer. Remember, something is only worth as much as someone is willing to pay. So if you ask me, it's not too late to start flipping furniture in 2024. So what are you waiting for? Start flipping. I love y'all. Be kind, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye.